All right, let's dive in. Today we're talking about something called Hoffmanomics, which is this really cool guide to, well, mastering money. We're going to break down how it promises to take the super complex world of economics and actually make it work for you.
I mean, let's be real for a second. For most of us, when you hear words like finance or the economy, it just feels intimidating, right? It's a world full of jargon that kind of feels like it was designed to make your head spin. But what if there was a way to decode all of it?
Well, that's exactly where this guy, Paul Hoffman, comes into the picture. He's the guide behind Hoffmanomics, and he created it to solve that exact problem by bringing together two worlds that you almost never see in the same room.
And this is what's so unique. On one side of the coin, you have a total Wall Street pro. We're talking Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, chief investment officer, the real deal high-stakes world of finance. But on the other side, you have a dedicated teacher explaining AP economics and personal finance to high schoolers. It's that mashup, the trading floor and the classroom, that makes this whole approach so powerful.
And this right here, this is the core mission. It is all about bridging that gap. So you don't just learn what inflation means from a textbook, you actually get why the price of your groceries just went up and how that connects to these huge decisions being made in global markets. It makes it real.
So what's actually in this economic toolkit you're getting? Well, think of it as a complete learning experience that covers a few really key areas.
And the range is pretty wide. You've got the heavy-duty academic stuff like AP Micro and Macroeconomics or AICE Business courses for international students, but then it gets super practical with things like personal finance specifically for teens, the absolute basics of investing, and even how to make sense of what's happening in the stock market right now.
And how it's taught is absolutely key. I mean, forget about those dry, hour-long lectures. This is all about bite-sized lessons that use examples you can actually relate to, and this is the important part, they're backed up by legitimate wisdom from the world of finance. It's really the best of both worlds.
So you might be asking, okay, who is this actually for? And you might be surprised by the answer. Let's break down who really gets the most out of this way of looking at economics.
First up, we've got the students. If you are staring down a big economics or business exam in high school or even college, this whole approach is basically designed to help you cut through all that noise and just get you ready.
It's all about stripping away the confusing academic language and getting straight to what you need to know for your grades. We're talking clear explanations, practical tips, exam hacks. The whole point is to build up your confidence so you can walk in and just ace those tests.
Okay, so what if you're not a student? Maybe you're just curious about building some wealth. You want to start investing, but you have literally no idea where to even begin.
This is your perfect starting point. You can learn the fundamentals, like the magic of compound interest, which, by the way, is basically your money making more money all by itself. You'll start to get how market analysis works from someone who's actually done it. It's perfect if you're a beginner who wants to understand how big economic news actually hits your own wallet.
And then there's the third group. And honestly, this is pretty much everyone else. Anyone who just wants to be smarter about money. This could be parents, young professionals, really anybody.
This is all about empowerment, plain and simple. It's about taking the mystery out of the headlines. Whether everyone's talking about a recession or the latest crypto hype, the goal is to give you the knowledge you need to make smarter financial choices every single day.
So, when you put it all together, what Hoffmanomics is really offering is a journey. It's about moving from that place of confusion about money to a place where you feel genuinely confident.
And the path is actually pretty simple. It's 3 steps. First, you learn the core concepts. Then, you layer on that invaluable real-world wisdom from the trading floor. And what's the result? You're actually empowered to make smarter choices for your own future.
So here's the bottom line. We live in a world where economics touches everything, from your personal budget to what's happening across the globe. This approach gives you the tools not just to get by, but to actually thrive in it.
Which leaves me with one last question for you to think about. If you were armed with this kind of knowledge, this blend of classroom clarity and real Wall Street insight, what's the very first financial goal you'd go after?